Looking for a compact treadmill that fits your home and keeps you active? Today, we're checking out the MCRG Walking Pad with handlebar, a portable treadmill designed for walking, jogging, and light running at home. Let's see what makes it special. Powerful 3.5 HP motor. Support speeds from 0.6 to 10 miles per hour, perfect for walking, jogging, or light running. Handlebar for safety. Provides stability, making it great for seniors or beginners. Portable and space-saving design. Compact enough to fit under desks or small rooms, and easy to move with built-in wheels. High weight capacity. Supports up to 400 pounds, accommodating a wide range of users. Easy-to-use controls. Intuitive display for speed and distance tracking, plus safety features for peace of mind. Compact and portable. Perfect for apartments or small homes. Stable and safe with handlebars. Great for beginners. Versatile speed range, from slow walking to light running. Not ideal for heavy running or long-distance training. It's mainly for walking or light jogging. Slightly larger footprint than foldable walking pads without handlebars, so it still needs floor space. Overall, the MCRG Walking Pad with handlebar is a great compact treadmill for home use, especially if you want a safe, portable, and versatile walking or jogging solution.